This is a mid-morning update to the Hazardous weather briefing from the National Weather Service in St. Louis for Friday, December 13th, 2013. Here's a look at some regional radar reflectivity at ending at about 10 a.m. You can see a large area of precipitation is moving across central Missouri towards east central and northeast Missouri. We're getting reports of a little bit of sleet and some freezing rain with this initial period of precipitation. However, temperatures are rising above freezing fairly quickly, and we're expecting just a light glazing of ice initially before temperatures get above freezing, when any glazing should be melting. And it's important to note that any untreated surfaces may become slippery fairly quickly before the melting occurs. This is a look at Missouri road conditions from MoDOT. You can see there are some covered and partially covered roads down here across southwest Missouri, a little bit here in central Missouri as well. The roads look pretty good here in central Missouri, and of course precipitation hasn't started out here just yet in northeast and east central Missouri. Now, again, looking for just a light glazing of ice initially with the first shot of precipitation. Still looking for that initial shot of light glazing across parts of central and southeast Illinois and into south central Illinois. And that, like I said, is going to be melting fairly quickly. Then what we're going to be looking for is some snow to develop tonight, starting this evening across central and eastern Missouri. And looks like 3 to 5 inches for the most part along the I-70 corridor. Again, 3 to 5 even down here in southeast Missouri. Probably a little bit more in northeast Missouri, 4 or 5 inches up across northeast Missouri and west central Illinois. This has been the Multimedia Hazardous Weather Briefing from the National Weather Service in St. Louis. For questions and additional information, you can contact us at 636-441-8467 or email our webmaster at w-lsx.webmaster@noaa.gov and visit our webpage at www.weather.gov/St. Louis. St. Louis is all one word.